Hello there, folks, and welcome back to SHOT Show 2022. I'm Steven with Bolts for Bucks, and I'm here at the Zermatt booth, and we're going to go over some of their custom actions they produce.
So at Zermatt, we manufacture all of our actions in-house. We have our this is one of our TL3s in a left hand. We offer that in multiple configurations with different mag wells, left hand, right bolt, left port. They come in either a TL version, which is our tactical version, which is a detachable box mag only, or we have an SR version for your standard BDL or ADL feed lips for a blind magazine. All of our actions feature a interchangeable floating bolt head with controlled round feed and a mechanical ejector. Toolless disassembly for quick change, pop out the bolt head, change it out if you want to change calibers or anything, or field stripping for cleaning. Our TL line is our premier line with our integrated recoil lug. They're all stainless. This one is DLC coated. We also offer them in a blasted finish. We also have our Origin line, which is our lower end. It's running virtually the exact same bolt, so you have the exact same mechanical control round feed, mechanical eject. However, this action does not have an integrated recoil lug. These retail at $875, and these retail at $1250.
And where can they be ordered from, or?
We have several stocking dealers. You reach out to us via email. We'll usually be able to point you in the direction of somebody who may have them in stock or somebody who's going to be getting them in stock very shortly. And last 2 years ago, we launched our Remex receiver. So we have our full-size Remington 700 footprint rimfire receiver, which also offers a interchangeable bolt head for changing calibers. So 22 long rifle, 17 HMR, 22 mag, with the toolless disassembly as well. It has a really awesome feature that is proprietary to us. We just got our patent approved in December. So we have a complete flat breech face, so there's no protruding extractors into the bolt face. So unlike any other rimfire, there's no need for extractor cuts in the barrel. So all the barrels are interchangeable, because on all of our actions across the board, we hold our headspace within 5/10,000ths of an inch, so half a thousandth, which is more than enough for any pre-fit barrel. So you can order a barrel from a gunsmith or a distributor, order an action from another, get it together, put it together, it's going to torque together and headspace perfectly.
And they're all Remington 700 footprint, correct?
Yes, they're all Remington 700 footprints. The only thing that's going to differ from a Remington 700 footprint is the length of our ejection port. It's a little bit longer to account for the mechanical ejection, which always happens at the far rear of the stroke.
All right, well, thank you for explaining these receivers to us. I really do appreciate it.
Yeah, absolutely. You have a good one.